shape are you describing there? Is that a semicircle base? You just want to use all those shape words, don't you? Let's have a look. I have 3 straight what? Sides or edges? Make sure you don't miss any words out there. You're right, Izan? Okay, Dizan? Can you see if you can get one done, please? I have 1. Has it got one face? Are you describing that cube? Okay, so if we're looking at the faces on there, because that's quite a tricky one, isn't it? Okay, show me one face that's all curved. That one there. And where's the other face? It's this bit here. Yeah, that counts as one face. And that's the other face. So how many faces has it got?
2.
Yeah, let's change that then. What about points or corners? Has it got any points or corners? Yeah, how many? Come on then. You okay, Sufyan? Use the glue if the sellotape's too hard. Okay, hexagons, how many have you done? 2.
I'm on my third one.
2.
I'm on my third one.
Okay.
I'm on the third one.
Okay. Hexagons and pentagons, I'm going to give you 1 minute to finish the clues. Okay, finish the one that you're on. We're going to move on to the next activity. All right, let's have a look. Read me one of your clues. I'll see if I can guess. I am... That's a hard one. So you're 3D. Is that 3D or 2D? Oh, is it square? Then? What is it? I'm nearly close. You know the sides, is there 2 long and 2 short? Yeah. Is it rectangle? Yeah. That would have been useful if you put that in. 2 long and 2 short. Otherwise you can get mixed up with the square, can't you? Yeah. Very good. Okay. Grab another box. See how you go. See if that's going to be a cube as well.
I've done 3 shapes. It looks like a diamond.
It does a bit, doesn't it? It's like, you know, a square-based pyramid. If I hide it like that, it just looks like a square-based pyramid, doesn't it? But it's like 2 that have been stuck together, isn't it? Yeah? So there's lots of faces. And what are the 2D shapes that you can see there? Yeah, it's made up all from triangles, yeah. Sorry?
Is it diamond? It looks a bit like that shape. No,
it looks a little bit like a diamond. It's like that, isn't it? 2 big ones stuck together. Perhaps stick to the square-based pyramid. Yeah? Let's have a look. Oh, that's good. I'm a 3D shape. I'm half a circle or half a... What do we call the ball? That's it. You've done 3 shapes. Fantastic. Okay. Hexagons and pentagons. Can you just pop your pencils down? Don't worry if you've not finished all 3. And come and sit on the carpet. Just leave everything as it is. Mehak, you can leave your book on your table. Be close. Okay. Now, my 2 groups. You right, Sarish? How is that? Okay? Yeah? The more detail you put in your clues, the easier it is to guess, isn't it? Yeah? So you've got to make sure... Who used some of these words when they were doing their clues? Very good. Sarish, which words did you use? Corners, yeah. What about you, Izan? Any of those words? Sides. Okay. Now, what we're going to move on to next is looking at right angles. We've had a little look at right angles, haven't we, before? Can you show me with your hands? Our little reminder for a right angle. Do you remember? Yeah? It is like an L shape. Perfect. Yeah? An L shape, a right angle. So today we're going to be thinking about shapes and things around the classroom that have got a right angle. Okay? Now to help us, yeah, we've got our right angle measurers here. And the space from here to there is 90 degrees. Do you remember we talked a little bit about that last time? Yeah? So, if you can just take one, pass the rest on. Okay. Let's see which shapes have got right angles on them. Everybody got one? Okay. Yizan, you okay? Okay. Any spares? Just. Okay. Right then, we've got our right angle measurers. That's good. Okay, so we're going to have a look at some 2D shapes first and see if we can find a right angle. Now, we've had a little practice, haven't we, before? So I'm hoping you'll be able to spot the right angles now. Who thinks they can put their right angle measurer next to a shape and say, there's a right angle? Come on, Sadia. Come and show us. There's one there. So, can you remember the little sign that we used to show that a shape has got a right angle? Can you remember, Sadia? What is it? It's like a little square. Will you show us? Show us where you've just put your right angle. Brilliant. Okay. How many right angles are there in a square? Dizan? Can you just quickly pop on here and show us all 4 of them? Marvellous. Whilst Dizan does that, have a look at the next few shapes. Yeah, you okay? Have a look at the next few shapes. Where are the right angles? Do all shapes have right angles? No, not all of them. So some of them won't. There won't be any, will there? Beautiful. You can just sit there. What's this shape, Abdul Samad? This is the one you tried to trick me on, isn't it, when you're doing your clues? Come on then. Use your right angle measurer. And you come and show me where the right angles are.
It's in front of you. You've got your picture.
Okay. Use it first. Double check. How do we measure it? Fit it in. Very good. So there's one there. Yeah. Put it in. Any more right angles? Use your measurer. Show me. Does it fit that way? Flip it over. Have a look. Does it fit that way? Remember, it's got to fit inside the corner, hasn't it? Move it up a bit. Up, yeah? What we want it to be is it's got to fit in the corner like that. Can you move it up a bit so it fits in the corner? Beautiful. Okay, right, put it in then. How many right angles in a rectangle? What do you think he's done? 4. Same as a square. Does it go that way? That's it. You can flip it over, yeah, to fit the shape. How does it go? Does it fit it perfectly on the corner? Do you want me to hold the pen? It's a bit high up, isn't it? Fit it so it's nice and cosy in this corner here. So what do you need to do? Move it back a bit. Up. There you go. Can you see? Can you see from where you are? Yeah? There you go. Okay, we'll just do one more shape. Is there any shape that you can see that's left that you think, no way, there is not a right angle there? Wow, your hands are up straight away. Thank you, darling. Sit down. I'll just put the last one on. Fizaram?
Hexagon.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the hexagon. Is there any right angles? Does it fit perfectly? No. Does it? No. Here? No. So, no, there's none there. What about the triangle? Salman, will you just double check for us that there's no right angles there? It's got to fit nice and snug in that corner. Sana? Are you okay? Sure? Does it fit anywhere, Salman, do you? No. Can you put a cross on there for me? G. Lovely, thank you. Sit down. So your job is now, have a look at the shapes quickly on your table, and as a group, yeah, sorting them out. One group that have got right angles, and one group haven't got right angles. And if you're not sure, have a little chat with the people on your table, yeah, and they might be able to help you. Okay, I'm just going to give you 3 minutes to do that. Off you go. Take your measurers with you. Right, how are we getting on? You're stuck on that one? Have you seen this one, Sofian, that they've done? It's good, isn't it? Right then, what do you need help with? Should I cut you some sellotape? So what shapes can you see here? What shape's that then? Okay, is there any other shapes on your box? What do we call this bit here? Rectangle, good boy. How many rectangles are there? 4.
Oh, you're opening it.
It's a bit fiddly, this.
Let's put it everywhere then.
Will you get some scissors for me, Sophie, and I'll cut some pieces for you.
This is right angle.
Yeah. Because what shape is that at the bottom?
Square base.
Square base.
Oh, not this way.
Let's get rid of this bit.
Oh,
Stuck to my finger, that. Right, shall we cut some pieces and stick it under the table? You all right then, Miss Malik? Do you want the sellotape? There you go, that should keep you going. Shall I put it there? No, next time, right, get going. Is the glue not working, children? Glue not strong enough?
is this right angle?
Ask people over here. Saba, what do you think about that? Is that a right angle? It is, isn't it? Yeah? Because if I cut this in half, I went cut it in half. What shape can you see there, Sadia? 1, 2, yeah. Some squares have. They have 4 right angles, don't they?
So this one, yes.
Right then, how are we doing over here? Wow, very good.
Okay.
What paper have you got there, Asghar? The straight, and this is, what's this called? Curved. And you've got, 1 minute, darling. Straight, and the book is a right angle, yeah, because what shape is it?
Square.
Rectangle. Rectangle. Very good. Good boy, write it down. Excellent.
How do you spell corners?
Azra, what have you got here to help you? What's it there? Okay, how are we getting on over here? Which is your pile of shapes that have got right angles? Here. And what about these ones here?
No.
Definitely not?
Miss, all the big ones is big ones. No, they're not.
Which one? Which one do you mean?
These ones.
You think there's a right angle there?
No, but it means that are tough. It means these ones.
Okay, let's just double check. Okay, so it's got to fit nice and snug in that little shape there. Okay, if I hold it there, can you see it doesn't fit? Because if I hold it that way, can you see, Izan? It's just overlapping. So is that a right angle? If you see, can you see an L shape? It's a bit too wide, isn't it, for an L shape? It's a bit like that, a bit too open. All right, so I think you're absolutely right, children. I think all of these do not have a right angle, and all of these do, don't they? What about this basket on the front? Is that it? Can you see anything around the classroom that's got right angles?
Book.
Book.
The board.
The board. See if you can think of 10 things in the classroom that have got right angles. You can have a look around the classroom, see what you can find. Yeah, what else? See if you can find 10 things in the classroom. Very good, Hazra. Hazra, what shape is it? Cuboid. Very good. Excellent. What shape is it? Is it cube or a cuboid? Cube or cuboid?
Cuboid.
Yeah, because it's got...
Maybe.
What's this shape called? Yeah, so get some labels now and you can label it up. Put some labels on, can't you? Yeah? Okay, hands up everyone, please. Just stand still if you're not in your chair. Thank you. Very busy over there. Hexagons and pentagons, Mahek. Listening? Okay. Children, we have got about 4 minutes left. Okay. So, the activity that you're on, I know, Miss Malik, you're happy with your group. Yeah. The activity that you're on, I'm just going to give you 2 minutes and then you're going to do your final activity. Okay, so 2 minutes to finish the activity that you're on, then you're going to go on to your last one. Is that okay?
But we finished, we found 10 things.
You found 10 things. Okay, come and sit down.
That one.
Very good. Hexagons, let me have you back here then. Very good. Hexagons, come back.